everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm sharing with you guys what coupons we will be getting this Sunday on May 6th. Now we're supposed to be getting a Retail Me Not Unilever, two Retail Me Nots, and a Smart Source. Retail Me Not is now Red Plum. Most of you guys should know that. I do want to let you guys know, keep in mind that everybody gets different inserts in different areas. They're all regional, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up on this. But I found the coupon preview on SundayCouponInserts.com. I just Google it and I find whatever website I think is legit, and I want to share with you guys. So you guys can always look. Usually they pop up on Tuesdays and Wednesdays so you guys can see what coupons are coming out. But here we're getting some Angel Soft coupons, 50 cents and $1 off. Axe Body Wash is buy one get one free, or buy one body wash or detailer and then get a body spray free, so that could be a decent coupon. Now this looks like it's the Unilever, which it does say Unilever, I'm just blind. We got the Axe Twin Packs, $1 off that, Axe Dry Spray $2, Axe Hair Care Products $4, Degree Men $1.75, Degree Women $1.75, so hopefully, you know, get some good deals with deodorant. Dove. So I know there is a deal on the bar soap for Ibotta, but there's a 75-cent off coupon that we'll be getting. More Dove. So you can go Dove crazy if you guys want to. Here we got Eco's laundry detergent, $1 off of that. I'm sorry, I'm not down enough. 75 cents Eggland's eggs, Energizer batteries or flashlights, 55 cents. Energizer hearing aid batteries, 75 cents. Nutrident, which I'm assuming is a dog food, I'm assuming. Here we got some Rachel Ray's stuff. Sara Lee frozen product. Sparkle paper towels are 70 cents for just the 2-pack. Or you can get a 6-pack or larger for $1. I rarely ever see the Sparkle Stainmaster, 75 cents off of that. So that is one coupon preview. Okay, so here is the Cervé coupons. Now one thing you guys do want to notice is last time they had those inserts, those coupons only let you like literally use one of those coupons per transactions. Now you can use one and another one in one transaction. You just can't use two of the same identical coupons. So a lot of people were, you know, kind of mad they couldn't do some Cervé deals, but, you know, just want to give you guys a heads up. Garnier Fructis, $3 off of 2. I think we just got some of those coupons, but hey, I'll always take more. Garnier Skin Active, $2 off, $3 off. I'm hoping to get some great facial stuff. I'm going to start using that stuff soon, so I can let you guys know on that. You just have to watch my empties video. Garnier Whole Blends, $4 off of 2. I swear we just got those also, so I'll take more. L'Oreal Paris. We pretty much get all these same coupons. My inserts, I don't get any of those. I will only probably get 3 inserts that week because I never get any of that stuff. But I want to share with you guys what you guys majority can get. I'm excited for the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. There's a 2 off of 2 or $3 off of 3. Now we do have some deals on Ibotta, so you guys will definitely want to do that. Dial Body Wash is buy one, get one foaming hand wash free. Now, I just got a lot of coupons from, I can't think of the name, CVS, so I'm hoping maybe I can get some Dial stuff. So, lots of Dial coupons. Got to be $3 off coupon. Usually, I only see two, so $3 off. And there's probably going to be a deal on Saving Star for that. Purex Crystals, buy one, get one free, or 75 cents. Purex laundry detergent, 50 cents, or Purex order release, $1. Renewzits, we're getting buy 3, get 1 free, which is a great coupon. Or adjustable multi-pack, 75 cents. Right Guard deodorant, $1. Sorry, my kids in the background. Schwarzkopf, $3, and then we're getting Venus Shave, $4 off of so I don't even know what those are, and then $5 off a refill. And then here is the Smart Source. We're getting the Arm & Hammer In-Wash Booster for $1. So definitely, there might be some deals coming up in Walgreens. I have to do my Walgreens video still, but there might be some deals with these coupons. Blue Emu, not sure really what that is. Citracal, Clorox. We're getting $2 off coupons for the Colgate multi-packs and manuals. 50 cents off of toothpaste. $2 off of different toothpaste, so there might be some freebies right there. Fragrance, $4 off of anything $6.97 or more, so maybe hopefully there's some deals with Ibotomix in there. Flintstone vitamins, $4. Fresh Step cat litter, $2. Hydroxycut, Infusium shampoo and conditioner. Irish Spring coupons. Now there is a deal coming up. I don't know if it's, I think it starts this week, next week, you guys. Definitely try to get as much Irish Springs and coupons, and if you guys can also get the soft soap coupons, there's a good deal coming up in Walmart or Walgreens ads. Ken's Dressing, Jergens, Lando Lakes Lunch Meat, Luigi's Italian Ice. I like those. Maracay Chocolates, Neutrogena products. Now there's going to be $2 off coupons, and there's also an Ibotta deal, so you guys might be able to get some great freebies with stuff like that. Nextcare, one-a-day vitamins, Oreo chocolate candy bar cookie coupons, 55 cents. Those are great coupons, you guys. I would definitely try to get more of those if you guys can. Palmolive, Pert, Phillips. We're also getting pen coupons. Now these don't expire till September 30th. We got those last year. I saved those from that long ago anyways, because I bought a bunch of stuff for free on the clearance rack at Walgreens. So definitely save those, guys, because they don't expire till after school starts next year, so it's all good. Rachel Ray dog food, Sally Henson nail products. We're getting $1 off coupons. Now please keep in mind we just got those $2 off coupons, so you guys want to do that. Here's the soft soap coupons. Like I said, you guys definitely want to get more soft soap coupons if you guys can. Spam, $2 off. I think I'm ahead of you guys. Trubiotics, Visquel, not really sure what that is. Yogurt, Welch's Snacks, White Castle. So that was all that we are getting in the insert. Some of those coupons you guys definitely want to try to get more. I usually use Clip to Save to get my coupons because sometimes there's just really great deals, and sometimes it's worth just paying for just those coupons instead of the whole inserts. But I just wanted to share with you guys what is coming out this Sunday. Please keep in mind that everybody gets different coupons, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.